found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a
Okay, so we just entered the Dora Canal, which I think is one of my favorites. It's a really long canal, but it's just beautiful. And then it's really cute to see all the little houses that are on the lake, and some are really cool looking. So I think it's about how long of a minute boat drive? Like 10 minutes, maybe more. Around like 10-minute boat drive to get to Lake Eustis.
Uh-oh.
What's uh-oh?
That's a boat.
Mm-hmm. It's another boat? Yeah. We're gonna go underneath. Yeah. We're gonna go underneath another bridge.
I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to.
Where are you? Where are you? It's beautiful. Let's go.
For you are mine,
So we just got to downtown Eustis, and we're gonna walk around and maybe get something to eat for lunch. That was our first time we've been there, and I was trying to show you guys, but I ate like, it looks so good, I just devoured it. So right now Jeff is loading up the boat. We had a really nice day. I think it was well deserved. Especially if you guys saw my last video, kind of stressed out. So it was just nice to have a day, just me, him, and Bryson. But where we're at is actually where we took our engagement photos. So I'll show you this cute little dock area. And but yeah, this park is really nice and just really natural, and I think they have like camping and stuff too. It's kind of like just natural woodsy. But I hope you guys enjoyed our fun boat day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.